Hi, I'm Andy from the Carinya Windows and Doors here at the Brisbane Home Show. If you want to walk with me, I'll introduce to you some of our products. We've got here our corner Carinya sliding door. So the panels here, they come together. And they can also open up as well in a 90-degree application. We also have, with our Carinya sliding door, integrated screen tracks, which is located all on the bottom down here. So you can always fit your screens whenever you need to. And here on display is also our invisi-gard screen product, which is integrated with our frame. So we offer a 15-year warranty on our product. Comes with 3-point locking, 1, 2, and 3. And it comes in a range of different colors on the hardware. So these screens can be fitted in a corner application as well, closing in the same position as the sliding door to give you that security and peace of mind. So now we'll walk over to this way. We also offer another sliding door, which is called our Carinya Metro sliding door. And the difference with this is our seal profile. So as you notice here on our seal profile, it's nice and flush. So we've got a nice flush finish with an integrated seal track at the front, which is ideal for wheelchair access and movement. We'll also offer different color handle options too. It's also offering a 3-point lock, 2-point lock, I should say, and a whole range of different colors as well. So over here, I'll bring you over to our bifold. So here we have our Carinya bifold system. Here we've got a 5-panel configuration. You can have one panel here acting as your everyday panel. So you can use that as your everyday door just to go in and out. And when you have your parties, gatherings or functions, what you can do is you can open it up, lift up this handle, pull this back, and what that does, that retracts the rod at the top and bottom. And then you can just open it up like this. And that allows you to open up the door completely. We also offer a screening option on the bifold as well. So if you want screens, you can have a fly screen like this, which you can pull across. And that covers your complete opening of your screen. So you don't need to worry about any flies or insects. You can cover all that. The other thing you can also have is to have a sunshade. So a sunshade is one of these ones, which you can also pull across, and it can give you sunshade for basically if it's a very sunny area, you get a lot of sun in this area, you can have that as a sun filter. As you can see also at night time, you can have a projector running onto the screen, such as you have here, and watch different movies or cinema or grand finals or info that you want to watch on TV, which is pretty handy. So it's pretty creative of what you want to do and how you want to use it. But yeah, if you want to see more, come down to the Brisbane Home Show.